What's up guys, it's Ty aka Timberlands and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a really quick review for you guys from Gorgius hair. You've probably seen them on TikTok if you've come to this video, but I did get their, I think it's like the Afro kinky curly wig. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna do an initial review and then I'll pop it on just to kind of see how it is. So let's go. I ordered this wig on December 20th. They shipped it on the 21st and it literally got here yesterday. So it was really quick, which I love. I wasn't expecting it to come this fast, especially with the holidays and everything, but this is the box that it came in. So it's like a really cute looking shoebox. They sent me a little Santa Claus headband. So in the box, you get a wig cap that has 2 caps in it. And you get this little beauty bag that has an edge control brush, some bobby pins, an elastic band, clips, and a pair of tweezers. I'm not gonna really do a lot. I'm just gonna kind of pop it on my head, but you know, this will be useful for another wig. So the hair comes in this satin bag. First off, guys, I don't know. Normally, this is not normally something I do. So I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw a mini tutorial of some girls putting the wigs on like a few times. And I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. You know, it seemed to have pretty good reviews, but I don't normally ever just order something like off of a social media app. So this is definitely different for me. But so it's this little cute wig. It's really soft to start. They have a closure at the top, and they have an elastic headband already installed for you. This is how the inside looks. There's no lace or anything like that. This is just one of those wigs, you know, that it has bangs, so you don't really need the other stuff. But yeah, it's really, it's super soft. The smell isn't that bad either. I don't remember how much it costs. I will put that down in the description. I also think they have a sale going on right now. But yeah, so this is what we get right off the bat. So I forgot I had these on. So I'm just going to kind of pop this on my head and just kind of play with it. So y'all, I have been looking for an Afro wig for forever. And I really didn't want like a lace front because like lace fronts can be really annoying to deal with. But so far I really am liking this. Of course it does look like really wiggy at first, but when you like kind of play with it and fluff it out, I really like it. Oh, it's super cute. Yeah, I think you just gotta kind of play with it to kind of figure out how you want to shape it. I would prefer like a little at the top because I'm used to like big hair, but I definitely love, and it's so soft, y'all. Like that's what I love about it. It's super soft, not a lot of shedding. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm gonna play with this a little more, and then I'm going to probably like put some water in it to kind of like move it around a little bit, and you know, just kind of see how it takes. But so far I really love it. I know it probably looks a little crazy after after just sticking it on my head, but I think it's really cute. So that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. Again, this company is called Gorgius Hair. I'm gonna put all the information down in the description. As usual, please be sure to follow the tree link to follow me on social media. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. I will see y'all next time.